Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, we will cover window screens. No tools should be necessary for this exercise. Just keep your garden hose ready, along with an adjustable spray nozzle. Taylor Morrison includes window screens to protect your home from insects, weather, debris, and unwelcome invaders. Each screen is designed to fit its corresponding window, so try not to mix them up while removing them. When it's time to clean your windows, make sure to clean your window screens too. It's difficult to see, but dirt, dust, and pollen can gather on your screens over time. If neglected, your screens may require replacement, and that can be expensive. To remove your window screens, follow these simple steps. The most important thing is to be very careful when removing your screens. If you use too much force, you can easily damage your fragile window screens. From inside your home, open your window all the way. Push up on the frame of your screen, while simultaneously pulling the finger tab at the bottom. Push the bottom of the frame outward to release it from the slot where it was nested. Handle the screens by their frames to avoid damage. Be careful to leave the tension springs intact while handling the screens. Rinse the screens with a hose and nozzle with low pressure setting. Use mild soap and a soft sponge if necessary. Once rinsed, let your screens dry while you clean your windows before returning them back in place. Make sure the tension springs are at the top and the finger tabs face inside when putting them back. Don't pull too hard on the finger tabs, which are very fragile. If a screen becomes damaged over time, contact your window manufacturer or a local glass company to perform repairs or provide replacements.
Taylor Morrison, homes inspired by you.